what's up? It's your girl, Unique Kishi. I'm back again with another video. Video I will be letting you know how to manage your money, your shmoney, your bag, your coin, whatever you want to call it, what you want to spend to get what you want. We're going to help you. I'm going to teach you how to give you some tips on how to manage that money, especially if you're a student, you know, broke. So it's okay. It's okay. Okay, before I get into this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment down below what you think about this video. If you have more tips, you know, let us know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for everybody that supported me, guys. We're almost at 800 subscribers. Like, I hope before this video comes up, like, that I already have 800 subscribers, because that's on per. So thank you so much for everyone that supported me and shared my videos. I'm so grateful for every single one of you. And yeah, let's get right on into the video. Hey guys, so I just wanted to quickly come on here to say that I don't do all these things, and I would love to, but I don't. It's just advice for me, for you, for anyone who needs it. Also, if you notice anything weird during the video, you in my business, don't do that. Okay, now onto the video. Okay, the first thing obviously is that before you can start managing your money, you actually have to have money. Money. So you either want to find a job, have an allowance coming in from your parents, or you could just join the walking ATMs, and that's on pretty. If you want to know how to be financially independent, let me know in the comment section down below. Hit me up on Instagram and I will respond, and we can have a conversation. My second advice is to have a savings goal. So you need to tell yourself that every month when my allowance comes in, my salary comes in, Friday, Sunday Night Live finishes, how much you're going to save from that money. So I promise yourself you're going to take that particular amount of money from it. You know, don't cheat yourself. Don't cheat your future self out of its own money, you know? Like, why would you do that? Then my third advice is to forget about your savings accounts. So you have a savings account, you're putting your set aside money every month or every week or whenever you want to set it aside. You have to forget about that account. So when somebody asks you, oh, do you have money? I really need money. You're like, sorry,
I ain't got no money. That money you be seeing me with on Instagrams, that be fake money, man. That be prop money. This is not my money, girl. I do not have nothing.
Like, even if you have like $5,000 in your savings account, you don't have that money. It's in your savings account. Forget about it. Like, it's not yours. It's your future self's money, and you're stealing from your future self if you take that money. Do you understand what I mean? My next advice is to have a savings goal, which I already said initially, but then I didn't really explain that. And what I mean by that is having something that you're actually working towards, and like motivation to actually save the money. So either you're saving for an opportunity, you're saving so that you can join the walking ATMs, you're saving so that you can buy a phone, an iPad, a car, or you want to travel next year. All these things are things that will motivate you to actually save up money. So you want to have like pictures of the things that you're actually saving for, so that you know that, okay, like if you're tempted, they'll be like, okay, like, nah, the trip to Greece is better than having the Starbucks right now, you know? Have that motivation to remind you that you're saving for something and for a reason, so that you realize that it's actually, your saving is worth it, okay? These are the things that, you know, that's how to like actually like save the money and all of that. Now, this is how to manage your money. This one, if you're an Ijebu person, you understand, you know? So these are ways to manage your money, especially if you want to get, like, you're working towards a certain goal and you just find that money just always leaving your account. And I'm going to tell you the ways in which you can, you know, manage your money. The first thing to do is to go thrifting. And thrifting basically means you go to a thrift store or you go thrifting online, which means you don't have to buy things for as expensive as the retailers will sell it for, because people have already worn the clothes. When you see, like, when I think of worn clothes, it doesn't necessarily have to be like disgusting in your head, because if you think about it, like when you go to the store to pick up that outfit, somebody tried that on and they didn't take a shower, or they probably spat on it or something like that. So it's the same thing like going thrifting. Just wash the clothes. Like once you get it, just wash it. Or you can go on Depop, or you can go to Salvation Army. That's a thrift store in Canada. I don't know about the US, but I know that the thrift store here is called Salvation Army. The next thing to do, which I am going to advise you guys, this does not apply to me, okay? I can't do this one. Eat whatever you're given. I am the pickiest eater you'll ever see. I don't eat a lot of things. I am a bread, let's eat rice, beans, and that's it. I don't like experimenting food. I don't like eating like things I don't know. So when I got to like Canada, like in my school, and they used to give us all sorts, I would not eat it. I would order food, and that was obviously like something that like take my money out of my account. But then like sometimes you just have to suffer yourself and be like, you know what, I have to like chum it down my stomach, you know, because you're hungry. So an advice would be, you know, don't order food. Eat what you're given, even if it's terrible. You're saving $15, $20, and you know, it's wise. And even if you want to order food, make sure like you have a limit, so you only order once or twice a week, because ordering food every single day of the week is going to drain your account. And that includes Starbucks. You know, I know a lot of you are addicted to caffeine. I don't know how to help you like solve that problem, but just like think about it. Like, it's not worth it. $5 every single day for a week in a month. Calculate that, sis. Like that's like $100 just on coffee, sis. Ain't that deep, you know? Like, control yourself. Another thing in regards to managing your money is using coupon codes. When you want to sign up for something and they tell you, oh, that $10, use it. If you want to buy something from KFC, go check online coupon codes like KFC and use it. Use Honey. Honey gives you a bunch of coupon codes you can use when you want to purchase things online. Even saving $5, if you save $5 like 7 times, that's $35, and you didn't have to spend that. So now you have that money in your account, you know. So make sure you try to use as many coupon codes as you can. And talking about the little change, coins is money too. Don't get your coins and throw them away. Keep your coins. You can literally like just throw your coins in every time, and once you calculate it, it can be like up to $20. Coins are money. Don't just throw them away. Like, that's like the child mentality of, oh, coins are only for heads or tails, and you just toss your coins. Coins are money too. It's the sense of the cow. If you literally want to buy something that is $12 and in your account you have $11.99, it's going to decline because you don't have that 1 cent. Every cent matters, okay? And that's on period. Another piece of advice I would give you for managing your money is to wait for the deals. That's one thing that my mom taught me. You know, when we're traveling, we're going all the way to Burlington Coat Factory because that's where the deals are at, and that's on period. Black Friday that just went by, you should have waited for that. You should wait for Boxing Day sale, which is going to be a good sale. What's the point of buying something that is still going to be available in a few months, like, but at a lower price? Doesn't that make more sense to you? Exactly. So just wait for the deals. Another piece of advice I would give you is to not avoid the store at all costs. Avoid Walmart at all costs. Avoid shoppers at all costs. I don't think I've ever walked into a Walmart and not come out with something. When you go in, you just think you need stuff, and you're just like, oh, I need that, and I need that, and I need that, and I need that. But you really don't. The store is a trap. Walmart is a trap. They just lure you in, and your money has gone. For what? You did that for what? What was the reason? Like, no, avoid the store. It's a trap. It's the trap of the devil. Avoid it. And if you're going into the store, write a list. Don't go in like, oh, like with a mental list, because the second you get there, your list is going to fly out of your head and the new list is going to form in your head, and the new list is always more expensive, which is why for me, as I said, it's a trap. So the only way to escape that trap is to enter with a list and a goal and dip with just your list. You know, anything that's on your list, unless like it's a necessity, you forgot your list, which is I like that thing to myself. But like, no, write a list before you enter the store, and once you get there, stick to your list and leave with only your list. Okay, now about like the stores, I personally believe that buying equates, buying great value. It's the same thing as the name brands, it's just cheaper. My bread is great value. Like my soap, okay, no. I actually have bought Equate like soap a couple of times. Like my body lotion is Equate, but like when my skin gets really itchy, I just use Ori. But at the end of the day, the store brands is the same thing as the like name brands. They just like the ingredients are the same, so just buy the store brand. It's cheaper. Another advice I would give to students is to act broke. People call it acting broke. I call it being financially wise. If people don't know you have money, they don't ask you for money. So we're going to the store or we're going out for dinner. We pick the cheapest option. We are going to get groceries. How much is it to? We're going somewhere. We're taking the bus, not the taxi. Act broke, because the money you're saving for yourself is for you, and the money you're spending is for them. So save money for yourself so that you can treat yourself out. It's called self-love, baby. Acting broke is self-love. It helps you get what you want and treat yourself like the princess you are. So they call it acting broke. I call it being financially wise. The next tip I'm going to give is for boys. Can you guys please stop betting?
You can't never, you know you cannot make it. You need to be cutting grass, making this place fresh for the actual footballers that want to use this place.
Because betting over something that you have no control over is not even as if like, okay, like you are in Europe, you're watching the players, you know, train, you can see who's working harder, and you make a calculated like prediction of, okay, like Liverpool is going to win or Arsenal is going to lose. You are in Nigeria, no, with no ambition, and you're betting on somebody who is making the money from you watching him, and you're betting. Bruh, your money is leaving your account. That's not a wise way to spend your money. Another piece of advice I would give about even being like financially wise and thinking about things in the long run, my future wise, is to pay for your subscriptions in years rather than paying for a monthly. If you think about it, if you're paying for something monthly, it's more than paying for it in a year. So you'd be saving even $20, or you'd be saving $30 by just paying everything at once. And this is probably my last tip, and that is to be careful where you put your card information into, because if you think that the only place you can get scammed is Nigeria, you are joking. You are up for a nice, and it's you that do not use for experiments. I thought the same thing, and I have so many friends that they have been scammed of their money, that putting your card information into that place, they take it, and then they start taking money out of your account slowly, and you do not know till one day you are trying to you look through your account, and then you're like, if 2 + 2 is 4 and 5 + 5 is 10, what the heck is this? So make sure that you are also checking your account regularly to see, keep up with your account, because you don't know who is liking, snooping and liking and snooping, and you want to make sure that your numbers are adding up and they're making sense. And yeah, those are my tips and tricks on how to be a correct Ijebu girl and how to save and manage your money. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so please share this video with your friends and let them know that Unique Kishi is back. Let them know. turn up the volume. The vibes in here are astronomical. So welcome to the gang, welcome to the club, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.